Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica recorded another historic moment in sports on Sunday as the island's rugby football union team, the Reggae Crocs, won their first ever game in the World Rugby Sevens Series in Vancouver, Canada. Denise Walters tells us more.
It was 19-year-old teenager sensation Jack Rampton who led Jamaica to a 10-5 win over their more fancied rivals, Chile. The Reggae Crocs did it the hard way as they came from behind to pick up their historic victory after being 5-0 down. Jamaica-based substitute O'Shane Eddy got things rolling in the second half for the Crocs, equalising in the 13th minute.
That's a second yellow card is indeed a red. Referee's not clocked it. But much to the light of the crowd here. Quick tap and go. Just a little bit of sleep here. Comes hard up his right foot. Far too easy.
The Jamaicans then took charge of the game as the Britain-based Rampton set the series on its head with Jamaica's match-winning try in the 17th minute.
The crowd are quietly favoring this Jamaican side, their North American cousins. The tournament organizers must be going nuts. He's free, he's in space. This is a huge moment for Jamaica. Jack Rampton will give Jamaica their first ever HSBC World Series win.
Well, two teams who are making every single minute of this marathon match count. Just seen the winning moment, and look at these pictures. Massive amount of elation on the face.
Technical director of Jamaica's Rugby Sevens team, Bruce Martin, praised the team for their history-making performance.
Very, very proud of my team today. Excited time out here in Vancouver, winning our first HSBC Sevens game, beating Chile 10-5. That's a big upset over here. The boys are proud of themselves. Hope Jamaica proud of them.
The win was made even more sweet as the Jamaicans held their nerve and kept their head after losing captain Conan Osborne after being down by 5. Osborne was stretchered off after dislocating his ankle. The Crocs also recovered from losing their first 3 games on Saturday.
More to come. Next week we're moving on to Hamilton Sevens in Canada. So let's see how we finish in that. Hope to have a better start. Yesterday was a rough day at the office, going down to Great Britain, Ireland, and Hong Kong. And it's good. Resiliency the boys showed.
The Crocs finished 10th overall as they went down to Germany in the 9th place playoff. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.